The Hello World program in Python is a one-liner, so it's as simple as typing print, and then as you can see here, it actually gives you um, options here, but in our case, it's just print hello world. And once you're done typing that, you hit return, and the computer will do just that. It will print the string hello world. This is significant because in many compiled programming languages, this is actually something to the order of 5 or even more lines, depending on the programming language. So the nice thing about an interactive environment like Python's is that things like this are usually interactive and immediate and very, very short, as you can see here. So the keyword here is print, of course, and then it's actually a function call. That's why the argument to the print function is in parentheses, and then you have the string hello world, a string of characters right here that is then enclosed in double quotes or in single quotes. You can do this as well. So that's interchangeable in Python for reasons that become apparent when we talk a little bit more about strings. But yeah, so this is the initial Hello World program.